y'all, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to cook some taco salad. So here are the ingredients that we'll be using. The chicken is here. I already started cooking the chicken. And the only thing I added to the pot was some basil and some onion powder. So once again, let me give y'all a look at the ingredients that we'll be using. We have two different types of chips, taco and Doritos. Okay, so you're gonna add your Taco Bell sauce, package. We're gonna add a little bit of the green onion and the white onion. And you're gonna let that cook. Give it a stir. And that was just water that was in there. Give it a stir. And then you're going to add your chopped meat to it. So you're going to let your meat simmer. And the only thing I added to that is a little complete. And just let it go ahead and cook. And I also added some jalapeno peppers. That is what the green is in there, is jalapeno peppers. The next thing we're going to do is add the sour cream to the bowl. And that taco sauce, we're going to pour that on the sour cream. And you're going to stir this up. Okay, this is the consistency that you want, around that color, or you can add more. I added a package and a half. And our meat, I want that to boil out of there because I need it semi-dry. So next I'm going to take the sour cream and I'm going to put it in this pan right here. Okay, so now we're going to add the green onions, the rest of the jalapeno, our tomatoes, green onion, lettuce, cilantro. We're also going to add some lime to that. And a little lemon. And we're going to give that a stir, making sure everything is coated. We're going to add some sea salt to that. Stir it up real good. And we're going to set this aside. Add our meat. And we're going to put this in the fridge for about half hour so that that meat can cool down and we can add those vegetables. Okay, so now we're going to start to build. I drain my vegetables because sometimes that water, it just sits there. So I always put it in a strainer and pour some that the majority of that water out of there. That's optional. You don't have to do that. But I don't want all that water on here, so that's why I do that part. And the cheese that I'm using is the Kobe Jack. You can use any cheese that you choose to use. And there you have it, taco salad. And we're going to serve it with your choice of chips. We have the Doritos, and we also have the taco chips. So whichever one you choose to serve it with will be fine. And that is the taco salad. Thank y'all for joining me. And until next time, be kind to someone, and I'll see you soon. Hello, good people. How are you guys? Welcome to Inspiteofcreation. My name is Miss Stephanie, and I just want to take this time to welcome y'all to my channel and to let you know what you'll be getting over here at Inspiteofcreation. My number one joy is cooking. I love to cook. I will do it 9 days a week if I could. That's how much I enjoy cooking. I also enjoy going thrifting. And when I go thrifting, I mostly look at household stuff and clothing. I like to dress, but I don't want to invest a lot of money into clothing. You can look nice without spending a lot of money on clothing. So that's where I save, and I take that savings and I put it over here in cooking because that is where I want to invest my money at. I also will be bringing you guys tutorials on skincare and on hairstyles. So I welcome y'all to In Spite of Creation. I hope you subscribe. I hope you leave comments. Let me know what you guys would like to see, and I'll try my hardest to produce that. I'll be reading my comments myself. So again, welcome to In Spite of Creation. And I forgot to tell you guys, I have two girls, 35, 36, and this grandson that you see in the background, that's my little homie. That's my little buddy. He's not that little anymore. He's 13 now. So that's a few little pointers about me. And as we go throughout this journey, I'll share more with you guys. Thank you, and go out and be kind to someone.